So when you look at how we're fishing on Leech Lake, I would kind of say it's a tale of two stories. As far as locating the fish and finding them with active target, it's definitely cutting edge. But when it comes down to the equipment and the presentation that we're using, I would say it's extremely old school. This is a Johnny Moore's Platinum series right here, 6'9", medium, fast action. So not something with just a ton of backbone, but good backbone. So not necessarily an extra fast, because you want to give these fish a little bit of time when they pick that red tail or fathead up. But a couple things that I'm doing to make sure that you can feel everything you need to feel is use a 10-pound super line, and that's tied directly to an 8-pound fluorocarbon leader down to an 1/8 ounce jig. And the reason that we're using an 1/8 ounce jig is because we want those minnows to be as lively as possible. So when we're finding these fish with active target, we're getting within 20 to 30 feet of them, so you don't have to pitch those minnows very far. That's why we're able to get away with that 1/8 ounce jig. So very, very easy technique to fish. Let these minnows drop right on their faces and hold onto the rods tight.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.